What up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tint out the Honda emblem on the car. Before we tint this Honda emblem out, I want to give y'all guys some key things that you would need in this video. Number one, you would need a microfiber towel. Number two, you would need a squeegee. Number three, you would need a knife so you can cut around all the excess stuff that you don't need. Number four, you need some Wrap-A-Tac. Get away the dust and debris on anything that you're trying to put vinyl on. Then last but not least, you will also need a heat gun so you can stretch it out and make it smooth. All right, so let's get started and see what we can come up with. Alright guys, we're done with the DIY vinyl wrap Honda emblem. I got some imperfections, but I'm not a professional, so it's gonna happen. I'm gonna show you guys where the imperfections are at. Far away you can't tell where the imperfections are at, but if you come up close, I have one right there, Got it cut right there and one up there, but it's okay. But you stand back, it looks nice. It looks like I bought it from Amazon or something. That's how you vinyl wrap a Honda emblem. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, comment in the section below if you want to see more unprofessional vinyl wrapping. And always remember, have fun in the process, and legit is